In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a realistic ground shadow in Photoshop using your subject's actual shape. This method looks far more natural than those basic oval shadows, and once you learn it, you'll use it all the time in your edits. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure your subject is already cut out and placed on your background. This works best if your subject is on its own layer with a transparent background. Once you've got that ready, go over to your layers panel and select your subject layer. Now here's the key step. Hold down Control on your keyboard and click on the thumbnail of your subject layer. This will load a selection based on the exact shape of your subject. You'll see the marching ants appear around it. Next, create a brand new layer, but make sure you place this layer underneath your subject layers. This is where your shadow is going to go. With that new layer selected, press Shift and F5 on your keyboard to open the Fill menu. In the Contents dropdown, choose Black, then click OK. This will fill your selection with solid black, giving you the base of your shadow. Now we're going to shape the shadow so it looks like it's sitting on the ground. Press Ctrl and T to open Free Transform. Then right-click anywhere inside the box and choose Distort. You can also use Skew depending on the angle you want. Now, click and drag the corners to stretch the shadow outward along the ground. Think about your light source here. The shadow should fall away from the light direction. Take your time adjusting this until it feels natural. Once you're happy, press Enter to apply the transformation. Now let's soften the shadow to make it realistic. Go up to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur somewhere between 10 and 30 pixels depending on your image resolution. Higher resolution images may need a stronger blur. Click OK once it looks soft enough. Next, head over to the Layers panel and change the blend mode of your shadow layer from normal to multiply. This helps the shadow blend naturally with the surface underneath. Finally, reduce the opacity of the shadow layer to somewhere between 30 and 50%. Adjust this based on how strong or subtle you want the shadow to appear, and that's it. You now have a realistic ground shadow that perfectly matches your subject's shape, making your composition look much more believable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.